Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for comparing products so you can make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of steam cleaning with a showdown between two Bissell heavyweights, the PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop and the PowerFresh Slim Steam Mop. Now, if you've ever tried cleaning up after a pet, you know it's like trying to catch a greased pig at a county fair. But fear not, these steam mops are here to help you tackle that mess. So let's get steamy, shall we? First up, let's talk about price. The Lift-Off Pet retails for $144, while the Slim comes in a bit higher at $164. That's a price difference of $20. Reviewers of the Lift-Off Pet appreciate its value for money, especially with its extra attachments that enhance its cleaning capabilities. Meanwhile, the Slim is praised for its efficiency and versatility, which some customers feel justifies the higher price. So do you want to steam clean your floors or sip a latte while watching your floors get dirtier? Tough choice. Next, let's get down to power sources. The Lift-Off Pet is battery-powered, providing a cordless experience that many reviewers find liberating. They enjoy not having to deal with cords while cleaning. On the other hand, the Slim is corded with a 25-foot power cord, which some users appreciate for the continuous power. However, a few have noted that while the Slim is effective, it can become heavy to carry over time. So with great power comes great responsibility. Just remember to keep your pets away from that cord. Now, let's talk versatility. The Lift-Off Pet is a 2-in-1 steam mop, allowing you to tackle messes on the floor or lift it off for those high-up pet disasters. It even comes with 13 versatile tools, which reviewers love for deep cleaning grout and hard-to-reach areas. The Slim also offers a powerful handheld steam cleaner, but focuses on above-floor areas with its extension tube. Customers have found both products to be versatile, with the Slim being particularly noted for its user-friendly attachments. Who knew cleaning could feel like a spy mission? Let's not forget about cleaning power. Both mops claim to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria. Reviewers of the Lift-Off Pet rave about its ability to clean kitchen linoleum and tile without the need for harsh chemicals, while customers of the Slim appreciate its effectiveness in removing odors and stains across various surfaces. Both mops have garnered attention for their ability to dry quickly and leave no chemical smell, making them favorites for pet owners. So it's like they're on a mission to wipe out more germs than your average superhero. Take that, germs! Overall, the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop is seen as a versatile and value-packed option, especially for pet owners who appreciate its cordless design and extra attachments. Reviewers frequently highlight its effectiveness in cleaning various surfaces without chemicals. On the other hand, the Bissell PowerFresh Slim Steam Mop is regarded as efficient and user-friendly, praised for its quick heating and versatility in cleaning tasks. However, some users feel it can be a bit heavy and less powerful than expected. So which steam mop is the champion? The Lift-Off Pet with its versatile design and battery-powered freedom, or the Slim with its powerful corded capabilities and extra tools? It really comes down to your personal preference. Are you a freedom fighter or a cord crusader? Remember, whether you're cleaning up after a pet or just trying to keep your floors spotless, both of these mops can help you win the battle against dirt. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. And as always, happy cleaning, and may your floors stay cleaner than your pet's conscience.